Welcome to plot 13 and our very first video. Please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our content as it comes out. We aim to release a new video every Friday. We're beginners to both YouTube and to having an allotment plot, so we apologise for the quality of these videos. As we learn, hopefully they will improve. The dream would be to own a farm or a small holding and be as close to 100% self-sufficient as possible. However, this is not a viable option for us as a family. This may or may not change in the future. If I'm being honest, we probably wouldn't manage or cope, so instead an allotment is a more logical option. We've done some small scale growing in the garden, but nothing major, so we're approaching this as complete novices with very little skill or knowledge. We are not aiming to go completely self-sufficient, but at least be able to grow a small percentage of our own food to start with, and hopefully increasing it each year. We have a 13-year-old and a 7-month-old at home, both boys. We hope that they'll take part and enjoy what we're doing. We thought we would document this journey so that when they grow up they can see what we've achieved, and also for other people to become inspired and maybe try it as well. We have 101, actually closer to 1,000,001 ideas of the things we'd like to do on this channel and the allotment. These include elements of permaculture and homesteading, and also things such as tool restoration, green woodworking and the shed makeover, as well as the food production. As a family, we love nature and being outside, and walking and camping are some of the ways which we relax. We're hoping that the allotment gives us another outside space to relax in. Our diet could also be a little better, so this is one of the ways we're going to work on that. With the little one growing up and seeing us grow some of our own food, we're hoping that he develops a more harmonious relationship with both nature and his food, and it will force us to eat more vegetables. We are planning to use some of the bushcraft survival and nature knowledge and skills that we already have, as well as learning new skills in some areas that we're interested in. We hope we'll be able to pass on some of these skills and knowledge to you as well. We hope you'll enjoy joining us on our journey, and please comment below with any help, advice or tips you might have. There will also be links below to our Ko-fi page, where we will add other content such as pictures and blog posts. You can also donate, which will help support us in buying seeds, plants, tools and other equipment. Let's talk about plot 13. As you can see from the pictures and video clips, the plot is in a really bad state. We first applied for a plot in late 2019, but did not hear anything back. Obviously, during 2020, everybody's mind was on other things, especially for us with the birth of our youngest. Fast forward to January 2021 and we decided to follow up on our application. Due to the lockdown laws in the UK at the time, there was very little that could be done about allotments. The local council just did not have the staff to clear them ready for new occupiers. We walked past the site a few times and noticed that there were plots that looked untended, so sent in an email to find out more. This is when we found out that we were at the top of the waiting list, but could be looking at October 2021 before they would have the staff spare to clear the plot. Therefore, we offered to take the plot on as it stood. Within a week, we had an email back offering us a potential plot, but we were told it was in a really bad state. On the first visit, it was apparent that there would be a lot of work just to get it to a usable point, and we were probably looking at missing most of this growing season. The project felt like it had a lot of potential though, as something we could do as a family, and documenting it on the YouTube channel for ourselves and as an inspiration to others. It wasn't until we received an email with the agreement and terms that we found out it was plot 13. This cemented the idea that it would be a good project, and the YouTube channel named itself. As you can see, there are gas bottles, broken glass, a refrigerator, 3 structures, 2 of which need some serious structural work, and mounds of junk to be cleared away before we grow anything. The largest structure we have named the clubhouse. That appears solid and structurally sound. This will get a makeover at some point. Once the bulk of the junk is cleared and we cut back all the current growth, we should be able to assess and plan our plot more fully. We would love to hear some suggestions in the comments below on where to place things and on what we should consider. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also, check out the link to our Ko-fi page below.